Hello guys, how are you again? This is me, Neil, and actually I'm outside right now. I'm about to go on shower, so that's why I don't have shirt. I'm shirtless. And by the way, before I go shower, I'm going to I have just actually finished eating my breakfast. So after eating breakfast, I will be doing something which is I'm about to show you. So this is it. Can you see that thing? Can you see that thing? This one, these two. These are 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm about to do a garlic challenge, eating raw garlic challenge. Actually, I've been eating garlic several days or for a long time already. And what I'm doing is that I'm just removing the cover of the garlic. Okay, so I'm removing the the brown part of the garlic. So I'm removing it. I'll just chew this 2 garlic cloves. I'm doing this every day actually. I'm doing this every day. So there's a saying that eating garlics a day can keep the doctor away. It's more than the apple. Okay. It's more than the apple. The new saying today is not eating an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but instead of apple, it's already garlic. They said that's the natural or alternative doctor says in the radio I've heard. So I'm going to chew this. By the way, I have here my water, glass of water. So okay, going to chew it now. 1, 2. Ha. Okay guys, so I have already eaten the 2 raw garlic cloves. I'm going to drink all of this water in order to digest it properly. And by the way, when you drink water, you should be sitting. That's a proper way of drinking water. You should be sitting and then just gulping the water, not drinking it thoroughly, or just a sip or a gulp only. Actually, I'm just checking my underarm. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so that's my challenge, eating raw garlic right now. I have eaten 2 raw garlics, and next time I will do another video. Oops. I'm going to eat another kind of challenge. I don't know. You'll just know. So see you next time. Bye bye.